What's up, digital marketers? Welcome back to our 10 commandments of content marketing. And in today's commandment, I want to tackle the very popular and also pretty elusive act and practice of digital marketing, that of influencer marketing. So, quick question to kick it off. Just put your comments down below, and let's see what if you can share some of your experiences so that the community can see, and maybe we can have a bit of a discussion around it. Have you ever done any type of influencer marketing? Do you currently do it? And how is it going? How's it working out for you? Today's digital marketing commandment about content marketing is basically that thou shalt use influencer marketing as a content creation team. Now, it sounds kind of obvious and something that you should be doing anyway, but it's kind of a difficult. Influencer marketing is a little bit of a difficult strategy to get into, but it's really, really beneficial and something that you really need to start thinking about and start learning to crack. And specifically around the content that you're creating for your own agency or for your clients that you're working and doing content marketing for. So obviously influencer marketing has become incredibly popular. It's sort of the buzzword in the digital marketing industry at the moment. And it's something that's become, everybody thinks is sort of the silver bullet, but as I say, it is quite a tough nut to crack. But why has it become so popular, and why is it such a big and important part of digital marketing? Well, the main reason for this is that influencer marketing is really at its core all about trust and credibility. It's about taking your brand or your client's brand that you're doing the marketing for and giving it credibility and trust by partnering with an influencer on some form of platform, social media or whatever platform it is. But the key to this type of content marketing and the key to influencers, using influencers in your content marketing strategy, is to make sure that you're using the influencers to create valuable and transparent content, going back to one of our previous commandments. And also, very, very important, that you're using these influencers to create content that is more than just written content, more than just posts on social media and tweets and blogs, for example. Get them to be creating videos, get them to be creating images for Instagram, get them to be creating audio, get them on a podcast, that sort of thing. So again, that's another one of our past commandments that we've discussed already. So really, really important that you get influencers involved in the content marketing strategy. I've got a really cool tip for you as well, is around using influencer marketing. One of the key ways that we think about influencer marketing, one of the main channels that we think about influencer marketing, is approaching an influencer, getting them to put one of their your client's message out onto one of their platforms. So getting them to promote a client's brand or a client's product on Instagram or on Twitter or where their audience is. Great, and that's influencer marketing. That's giving your client's brand credibility and clout. However, another good strategy to go about influencer marketing is to flip it a little bit, and instead of going out to your client's audience, instead of going out to the influencer's audience and getting it onto their Twitter and their Instagram, why not get the influencer to post or create some form of content, a video, a picture, or a blog or audio, and put it onto your client's platform? So you're actually going to your client's audience and saying, look guys, we've got this influencer on board. It's not about the influencer shouting about your brand, which I think people are starting to become aware of and get a bit not nervous, but suspicious of. So it's another way of taking an influencer marketing strategy for your content and flipping it around and say, rather go to your client's audience and say, look, we've actually got this guy who's an influencer or this girl who's an influencer, and they promote our brands, and going into your clients' channels, their blog and their Instagram and their Twitter, and promoting it through that way. Breaking down those barriers and actually showing that your client's brand is up to other things with people who matter, giving them clout in that way. Just a little bit of something to think about when it comes to content marketing. Make sure that this year and going forward, you start relying on influencers and getting that tool in your toolbox much sharper and much more aligned towards the content marketing strategy. Of course, as always, if you have any comments or you need any help with this, just put a comment in the boxes down below. One of our team will get in touch with you, and let's see, obviously if we can start a conversation around influencer marketing. It's definitely one of the most happening and vibey forms of digital marketing that people are into at the moment. So let's see if we can help each other out in the comments down below, get a conversation amongst digital marketers going. I'll see you in the next one.